Okay, so here we have a TV tower that is 50 meters tall, is supported by a wire that connects the top of the tower to a point on the ground 25 meters from the base of the tower. And what we have to do is find the length of this wire and the angle that it makes with the ground. So here I just draw a quick diagram of what's going on. Here we have our tower that's 50 meters tall, and this wire connects the very top of the tower to some point on the ground, and we know that the distance between that point and the bare base of the tower is 25 meters. And what we have to do is, I label this as x, the length of the wire, figure out the length of the wire, and figure out the angle that this wire makes with the ground, which I labeled theta. And so how can we do this? Well, I simplified it a bit, just talking about the triangle. You can see we have a right triangle, right? Right here is a right angle with side lengths 50, 25. I try to make the 25 half of 50, but it's kind of not perfectly to scale. And the hypotenuse is the x that we're trying to find. And so if we know the two side lengths, we can figure out the third side length of a right triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. So that says that the first side squared, 50 squared, plus the second side squared, 25 squared, is equal to the hypotenuse squared, x squared. And so if you simplify the left side, either using your calculator, figure out the number, 3,125. And so if we take the square root of both sides, we get x is equal to the square root